One of these Samsung earbuds are coated with NanoFlowX. This is the coated one. Let's see what happens when you put both in water. We'll put the volume up. You can still hear it. The screen shows the left earbud has disconnected. Let's take them out. We will remove water as much as possible. You can hear the music now. We'll put the volume up. The coated one has sound. The other does not. Get reliable and durable IP68 protection, cost-efficient and easy to apply. Send in your electronics or coat them with NanoFlowX today. Visit nanoflowx.com.